Did I just waste $2,000 on a heater? I sure hope not. These two 1500 watts weren't able to keep up. So we got another 1500 watt. I was afraid that wasn't gonna be able to keep up between Christmas and New Year's. It got so cold and I was sick. So I didn't make it out of the shop. It was too much. These couldn't keep it warm. I was sick, so I made a rash decision. I spent almost $2,000 on this MRCOOL DIY 24K for my shop. I hope it's enough. Stick around. I've got 10 more videos planned on everything you need to know about this system, whether it's gonna work, whether it's big enough, whether I can install it. So stick around, hit that like, subscribe, and I'll even tell you how I saved a couple $100 when I picked this up.